Welcome to Implicit Modeling in Altair Inspire. In this video, you'll get an overview of what implicit modeling is and a quick look at some of the capabilities inside Altair Inspire. Let's explore what implicit modeling is. Unlike traditional CAD, which defines geometry using explicit curves and a set of faces which bound the model, implicit modeling is a volumetric representation. We capture the geometry as a 3D field of scalar values, and embedded in this information of scalar values is the surface itself, but also the external and internal regions. The surface will pass through some defined constant, in this case 0, but you could create other surfaces by choosing a different value. This method of representing geometry makes it extremely efficient to create and manipulate complex geometry, including booleans and offsets that don't fail and scale at high resolutions. For example, imagine trying to model this gyroid lattice with over 250,000 unit cells using a traditional CAD representation. It would require roughly 25 million nose patches to model. With Implicit, we can easily trim this geometry and edit or slice it at interactive speeds. Our mission with implicit modeling is to allow designers to deploy their hard-won experience in traditional CAD and reapply that alongside the raw power and flexibility of implicit modeling. To achieve this, we developed implicit modeling according to the following 5 key goals. First of all, interacting with implicit modeling should look and feel like traditional CAD, including the ability to maintain construction history and work across all popular geometry representations. Implicit geometry is now a separate geometry representation that sits alongside the current 3 with methods of converting between them. There is a dedicated implicit modeling ribbon which contains all implicit functions that either create or modify implicit geometry. It is possible to use any type of geometry, including mesh, polynodes, and BREP parts as an input to an implicit function. Every operation is captured in the construction history, making it easy to not only edit the geometry being used with implicit functions, but also the implicit functions themselves. Implicit functions have clear, familiar guide panels to customize the parameters of a function, with the ability to adjust numerical values with direct input, slider behavior, variable-driven, or even field-driven. Secondly, all implicit design workflows should leverage GPU acceleration, allowing users to see near real-time updates to their models, irrespective of the complexity they are working with. Furthermore, the GPU should be further exploited to deliver state-of-the-art visualizations and rendering natively within one environment. Field-driven design refers to the ability to control geometry at every position in space. Often, this links to simulation data or relationships to existing geometry or constraints. It has been our mission to make field-driven design a pain-free and intuitive design experience throughout the product. Here, you can see the variety of methods you can use in Inspire to create and define fields. You could use reference geometry, such as planes, axes, and points, BREP features, such as faces, edges, or vertices. You can use another implicit geometry or function to drive the field. Point clouds can be defined from imported data or manually constructed. And finally, you can create your own custom functions using Inspire's rich Python API. To the greatest extent possible, we have sought to make the transition from implicit modeling to simulation as smooth as possible. For example, imagine you wanted to use simulation data to drive the cell size of a lattice. You could perform a structural analysis using SimSolid in Inspire, create a number of points you are interested in mapping the lattice to, then import that data to an implicit point cloud and then map that data to the cell size of your lattice. It is also possible to analyze lattice geometry using SimSolid. Here, you can see a BREP model which has been merged with an implicit lattice via a triangle mesh. You can now apply BCs to mesh geometry in Inspire and run a structural analysis. You can also use Inspire Print 3D capabilities to simulate the printing of an implicit geometry to identify any issue. Finally, Inspire is renowned for its extremely comprehensive Python API, helping users exploit individual CAD and simulation operations through carefully wrapped Python commands. Implicit modeling is no different in this regard, and virtually all of the tools in the GUI are accessible through the Python API with a full suite of demos and documentation to help you get started. What's more, users can also create entirely novel geometry by defining their own fields in the Python language, which are then taken into the Inspire product for further interactive editing.